For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a new twist to the Kerala gold smuggling scandal, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's ex-aide and former Principal Secretary M. Sivasankar has been hospitalized. The suspended IAS officer was moved to a private hospital in Thiruvananthapuram after he complained of uneasiness. Officials from the Customs Department had come to his house to serve a notice asking to appear for questioning on the evening of October 16th. When he complained about uneasiness, he was taken to a private hospital in a customs vehicle. Hospital sources said Sivasankar's blood pressure was high at the time of admission and he required a detailed investigation. Earlier, Sivasankar was asked to appear before the customs in Kochi, which he failed to do as he was at the office of the Enforcement Directorate. Sources in the Customs Department have said that Sivasankar failed to appear even after he was asked to come when he finishes his appointment with the Enforcement Directorate. The Customs suggested that he could appear with the relevant documents in the office here on Friday, to which he had agreed. However, when we reached his home to serve notice, he complained of uneasiness and was taken to hospital. Soon after his hospitalization, NIA officials investigating the smuggling case also reached the hospital premises. M. Sivasankar had sought anticipatory bail in the Kerala High Court. The High Court later restrained Enforcement Directorate, which is probing the money trail in the gold smuggling case, from arresting Sivasankar till October 23rd. The National Investigation Agency, the Customs and the Enforcement Directorate had already interrogated Sivasankar multiple times, with Customs alone interrogating him thrice. The agency is also probing if there was any foul play in the import of dates by the UAE consulate for distributing it to various poor homes in the state. The BJP has not failed to capitalize on the scandal and is demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. The BJP alleged that those accused in the case were working in tandem with the ruling party in the state. The moral authority of the Chief Minister is lost. The BJP has been demanding, the people of Kerala have been demanding that the Chief Minister resign, owing moral responsibility for the whole incident. This shows that those involved in smuggling gold are hand in glove with those in power. The BJP further alleged that the Chief Minister has been changing his stance on the scandal multiple times. Chief Minister Vijayan has been changing his stand on the matter from the day the case was registered and accused were arrested. With the BJP taking shots at the Chief Minister, Pinarayi Vijayan has asked the NIA to continue its probe in the Kerala gold smuggling scandal. The smuggling case pertains to the seizure of 30 kg gold worth 14.82 crore rupees smuggled in a diplomatic consignment at the Thiruvananthapuram airport on July 5th.